Presenting the 2006 Lexus GS. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, aluminum wheels, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, fog lamps and HID headlights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.